What is going on, guys? It's been a hot minute, as usual. I feel like I just haven't been uploading as much lately. The weather is getting better, so as I said, those uploads are gonna definitely pick up more. But I'm out here right now at the lake, and I have a couple surprises for you guys today. And the FA5 is right here. And I just gave you guys a little sneak peek of one of the surprises. I don't know if you guys caught that. The second surprise is underneath my hood. So basically, I just want to give a huge shout out to one of my good friends, Caveman Coatings. He does powder coatings, valve covers, pretty much any piece. Mostly does work for the engine bays, does wheels, anything that is possible to be powder coated, he does. And not only does he do, but he does the very best job at the very best price. Highly recommend this guy. The link is down below. I'm gonna throw his IG down there. And without further ado, here is one of the best powder coated valve covers I've ever seen, and luckily it is on my car. I absolutely love the way it turned out. And she needs a car wash, so I apologize about all the filth. But yeah, if you guys need affordable powder coating, preferably for like a valve cover, engine bay, pieces, wheels, whatever, feel free to hit me up in my DMs. My Instagram is thatwhitefa5, or just hit up him directly at Caveman Coatings on Instagram. I'm gonna leave that down below, like I said. So yeah, I'm extremely pleased the way it turned out, but let's not get too distracted, guys. I do have a second surprise for you guys, and let me clean them up for you guys so I could properly introduce you guys this this little aesthetic slash modification that I just picked up for the FA5. Okay, so the second modification is actually a brand new set of wheels, guys. I went to K-Series Parts a week or two ago. I made the decision that since I'm going to be having this car for a long time, and while the build is still relatively new, I thought I should get myself a set of wheels. I was trying to make up the decision, do I go with the more show slash stancier form, or do I go with the more function, track, all in all handle better with like a lightweight wheel with like some low profiles. So at the end of the day, with all things considered, and considering that I'm going to be having this car for a while, I came up with a decision. For me, it's not really about the show, it's about the go, baby. So this might be a little cliche. In my opinion, one of the best performing wheels. So without further ado, like I've said 5 times, welcome my new set of N-Key RPF 1s. Well, first of all, I hope you guys like the look of them, or like the look of them. I didn't get a chance to bring my car through the wash. I just touched up the wheels a little bit before I showed them to you guys. So the car is a little dirty, apologize for that. But another thing I did have a really hard time deciding was what specs I was gonna go with for my wheels. Initially, I was thinking of sticking with the stock sort of look, just in terms of they would be the lightest. I already know what the stock looks like, And so I was thinking of going with like a 17x7 with a 45 offset. But after more research, after seeing different fitments on different 8th gens, and just looking at forums, I did make that decision to go with a 17x8 with a 35 offset. So as you guys see, do come out from the hub just a little bit, and in my opinion is the perfect amount. And they still do give me that that flush fitment that I'm looking for with my fenders. And all in all, this car handles 100 times better than the stock wheels. Maybe I have a subconscious biased opinion on it, but personally I really do think that they handle a lot better. Another thing is I did add some new tires, so I'm just running some eBay tires. They're like $80 each. They're just something to get the RPF ones on the road until I could afford some newer tires. They are rotational. I went with 215 by 40 17s. They are slightly stretched just a little bit, and in my opinion they're stretched just enough. And in my opinion, again, this is honestly quite, I wouldn't say perfect fitment, but it's getting there, guys. The fitment is definitely on its way there. The coilovers, the camber arms, the wheels. Next thing I really need to do is probably get some sway bars. I'm thinking of getting some rare sway bars, and then the front struts, of course. And after that, just keep building the chassis. Maybe get a hybrid racing short shifter, make her more track built. I think I'm gonna throw some rollers in of the new wheels. Not sure what my schedule is yet, but I hope you guys did enjoy that little surprise. And don't forget about the valve cover again, because that valve cover is gorgeous. Once again, go check out KMN's Coating down in the description. But yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace out, fam.